kids, today we'll celebrate Father's Day celebration. Okay. Now in this Father's Day, I will teach you few lines. Okay, which you have to learn and say before your father. Okay, everybody loves your father, na? Okay, start. My father. Say, my father is my best friend. Say, my father is my best friend. क्या इसका मतलब क्या है? डू यू नो? आपके फादर आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. ओके. नेक्स्ट लाइन. आई शेयर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विथ हिम. आई शेयर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विथ हिम. ओके. माय फादर मोटिवेट्स मी with his word. Okay, say my father motivates me with his word. He is one who worked hard for family. He is one who worked hard for family. Father ही एक ऐसे पर्सन है जो हमारे लिए कितना हार्ड वर्क करते हैं. रोज सुबह उठते हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं, ऑफिस वर्क करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हम हैप्पीली रह सके, खुश से रह सके. ओके. नाउ अनदर लाइन. ही ऑलवेज टेक अस आउट ऑन हॉलीडेज एंड स्पेंड क्वालिटी टाइम विद अस. और क्या करते हैं? इन हॉलीडेज ही ऑलवेज टेक अस आउट. जब भी हॉलीडेज पड़ती है तब आपको आपके फादर ले जाते हैं ना बाहर. क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. He takes you to the jumping, to picture hall, to see movie and in fairs. है ना? फादर ले जाते हैं ना आपको. तो आपको क्या करना है? ये few lines जो मैंने आपको सिखाई है, आपको अपने मम्मा के साथ with your mama you have to learn this and speak few words before your father. So father will get very happy if you are telling something to your father. Now what you have to do, कि आपको क्या करना है पता है? You have to learn this few lines about your father and say before him. ठीक है? तो पापा will become very happy, है ना? और आप अपने मन से भी कुछ आपको लाइन्स ऐसी लगती है तो आप ज्वाइन करके बोल सकते हो. ओके. नाउ आई विल टीच यू how to make card. Okay, see, for this we required coloring A4 size paper, whichever your favorite color is. I have taken black and yellow, and you will need another A4 size paper. Okay, see, and one rectangle shape paper for making this bow. See, this card will make. Nice, huh? Feeling exciting? Okay. Now first of all, and we need pencil, scale, glue and red sketch pen. Okay, and red crayons. Now first of all, what you have to do is you have to join this paper from equal side, equal edges. Okay, see, like this. Very good. Now together fold it for leaving this much space. See, like this. This much space. Little bit. Okay? Like this. First of all, join this. Fold together. Like this. Now what you have to do is, here this part you have to make semicircle. Okay, semicircle. And then now you have already folded this. Now what you have to do is, again this remaining part you have to fold. See, like this. Okay, so that you get proper measurement. Okay. Now what you have to do is take pencil, okay, and and from here this edge to this edge you have to make semicircle. Okay, see like this. If you are not able to draw, then take help of your mother. See like this. You have to make semicircle. Okay, from pencil. Now, what we have to do is cut it with scissor. Okay, see like this. Hold it properly so that it doesn't remove here and there. Okay. You should take help your mother because it is scissor work. You should not do it alone. Okay. Otherwise you may cut your fingers. So take help your mother. See like this. Enjoying now? Very good. Like this. Okay. Now you have to stick this part first. Okay, with glue. Stick. See, like this. Now take a scale and draw a standing line. Okay, in center of the paper. Okay, fine. See, you have to draw from ear to ear only, not whole standing line. ठीक है, आपको पूरा line draw नहीं करना है. You have to draw ear to ear only. Okay. This part should remain as it is, whole. Okay. Now turn this and you have to cut center like this. Okay, you have to cut it here. Okay, cut only black paper, not this one. Okay, let it remain like this only whole. Okay, understood? Now what you have to do is fold it like this properly. Okay. Now hold like this. Okay. And another part also like this. See? Like this you have to do. Okay. Now you have to stick this part first. What will you do? Take a glue stick. Stick here. Stick this part. Enjoying now everyone? Very good. Today your dad will become happy. You have to stick here also, okay? Stick it whole. Okay, this whole black paper you have to stick with the yellow paper, okay? Like this. You have to stick here also. Now see, we will make this type of tie to stick here, okay? And we'll cut this type of triangle to stick here, and see, one small circle for button. Okay. Now see, you have to take a triangle shape, a rectangle shape of paper. You have to fold like this. Okay. Now you have to make a bow. So what you will do? One slanting line and leave space here, and another slanting line. Then also take the help of scale. Okay, like this. And you have to cut. See, what is this? Bow. Okay. Now we'll take. Now see, it's big ना, तो हमको क्या करना है? छोटा करना है. ये इस ऐसा करना है आपको, ठीक है? So what we'll do? We cut little bit. Okay. We'll cut from here also little bit to make it proper bow. Okay, now it's okay. Okay. Now we will stick bow here. Apply glue gum. Here. Okay. Like this in center. Okay. तो क्या बन गया? ये शर्ट जैसा लग रहा है ना आपको? See, like this. And what you have to do with this? This is remaining part. Okay. You have to insert this remaining part like this. Okay. And now we will stick button here. Okay. कोई भी कलर के पेपर में आप ऐसा सर्कल कट कर सकते हो. See, I have already cut this. Okay. Now you have to stick this button over here like this. See? Now we'll make two buttons here with marker. Okay. Small two dots. See? लग रहा है ना शर्ट जैसा, ब्लेजर पहना हो शर्ट के ऊपर, है ना? So nice. Now here you have to make one pocket. Now how will you make it? Triangle shape. Okay. We'll make red colored triangle with this remaining red paper. Okay. You can also take the help of scale, but I am doing randomly. Now you have to cut it. This is a blazer's pocket. Okay. And you have to stick here like this. Okay. With the help of glue stick. Like this. बन गया ना मस्त? See? Nice ना? Now, अब आपको क्या करना है पता है? What you have to do is, you have to take, पहले इसको आपको साइड कर देना है. Now you have to take another A4 size paper, है ना? और उसको आपको फोल्ड करना है ऐसे इक्वली. you have to measure with this envelope. क्या है, इसके अंदर आपको लिख के रखना है, ठीक है. तो this is same size. तो हम क्या करेंगे, we'll summarize it. इधर से थोड़ा काटेंगे and we'll cut from here. Okay, both side, from both side we'll cut. So first of all, draw line here with pencil and here also. Okay, should be same measurement. And cut off this. Nice ना? See? So nice. Very good. और आपको क्या करना है पता है? What you have to do is कि आपको इसके अंदर फादर्स ग्रीटिंग कुछ भी लिखना है. ओके, और यू वेरी इजी वे आई विल टीच यू. व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट? आई फॉर आइसक्रीम. डू यू नो ना आई? सी स्टैंडिंग लाइन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट विथ पेंसिल. ठीक है, पेंसिल से आप लिखोगे आई फॉर आइसक्रीम. आई है ना, आई बन गया. देन you will make heart, which is a sign of love. Okay, like this. You can also take help of your mother. And I love dad. D, simple D. D, A, D, dad. Nice ना? Now what will you do? See, ऐसा आपको लिखना है. I love dad. Now you have to do apply marker on this. Okay, with red color or your. Now I will trace it with this red marker. Okay, see, I and what is this heart shape? See, I will show you. So meaning of love. I love see, I love. Now we press on dad. D-A-D, dad. E, A, D. Dad. See? It's looking nice now. You have to also do this. Okay. Now fold it like this way. Okay. Now place it inside this envelope. Okay, like this. But before that, you can do also one thing. Okay, you can also color it with this red crayons like this. Or you can also make a smiley over here, or a star over here, or a sticker. Okay, heart shaped sticker, or your favorite cartoon sticker. You can also do this, or you can do with your fingerprint. You can do with your help of fingers. Dip fingers on different colors and trace it on eye like this. Okay. You can decorate this as you wish, like this. And send pics to me how you made a card for your father. Okay, make it nicely, properly. and safely with the help of your mother. See, like this. Okay. Now hold it and insert in this envelope like this and give this to your father. And you can also put your father's favorite chocolate like Dairy Milk or Kit Kat or anything else. Okay, your father's favorite chocolate and also give to them. Okay. Hope you will make nicely. Okay, bye.